Hey everyone, today we are presenting a Barber-Colman 12-inch oscillating fan. Now these are relatively uncommon, you really do not see them very often, and I'll show you a bit around this fan. Here's the Barcol badge that these fans are always going to have. They're well known for this. Here's a side profile of the fan. It's pretty cool looking. Here's the bottom of it. You can see it's a part number 75. Here's the back of it with the oscillating mechanism. And we'll give you a little closer look underneath here at the crank and what I think is the oscillator on-off mechanism. So now we're going to get into the demonstration of this fan, and we'll start off on low. Now the oscillator mechanism on this does not work, so we will not be able to demonstrate that. It's missing one of its gears. And we'll bring the fan up to high speed. And we'll shut it off to watch it coast. So with that, we're going to conclude this video. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit that like button below. And while you're at it, hit that subscribe button, if you haven't already, that is, because we will have more to come. And with that, we will see you later.